Ramadan, the holiest month in the Islamic calendar, is a time of reflection, gratitude, and spiritual growth. But what makes fasting during this month so special? Fasting from dawn to sunset isn't just about abstaining from food and drink. It's about self-discipline, empathy, and connecting with our faith. By experiencing hunger, we're reminded of those less fortunate, fostering compassion and generosity. Ramadan is also about unity. Families and communities come together to break their fasts, strengthening bonds and sharing blessings. It's a time to forgive, give back, and seek peace. Through fasting, we cleanse our minds and bodies, refocus on our purpose, and draw closer to Allah. It's a month of renewal, a chance to reset our intentions and grow spiritually. So, as we fast and pray this Ramadan, let's embrace its lessons of patience, gratitude, and love. Because Ramadan isn't just a month, it's a journey of the heart.